Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about durable, how to create a website for your indoor plants, care and accessories business, easy and quick. So first type durable on the search. So as we know, durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So we know also that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name, type any business name you want. Now select your industry. And now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section on the website, the header of the website. Here, click edit. Now, if you want to change the site name, also here, if you want to turn this on and replace the company name with the logo, you can upload the file. You can change the label or add a new label. You can add a link. Here, if you want to edit your social links, you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link and here add the link. Now, if you want to edit the style of the section, you can edit this, the positioning, the size or the shape, the spacing, or this, the background. So let's save this, and if you want to add the section, just click here and select any section you want from here. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner of the website. Click edit. Here, if you want to change the heading, just click here and it will be regenerated. If you don't like the subtext, you can just click here and it will be changed. Also the label here, you can change it. You can add a link. You can turn this on and open link in a new page. Also here, if you want to edit the style of the section, of the banner section, you can edit the spacing, small or medium or large, or the bottom, or the horizontal alignment, or the background. Here also you can regenerate another image. You can edit the image position and you can edit the background overlay. And here you can turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, the image section of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to generate another image, just click here. You can edit the image position. Also here, if you want to edit the style of the image section, you can edit the image, the aspect ratio, the rounded corners, the spacing, the background. So that's it. Let's save this. The next section, text section of the website. You can regenerate another text if you don't like it. Here, if you want to edit or manage the type of or the size of the writing, you can also edit the style of this section, the alignment like this. So I'm gonna let it like this. Here, if you want to edit the spacing, the bottom, the vertical alignment, the background. So that's it. Let's move on. The next section is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now, if you want to change this, or if you want to edit a display, choose what will be displayed for each list item. Also here, if you want to edit the list item settings, you can add the list item. You can generate image. You can edit the image position. You can generate a title. And also here, if you want to generate the content, you can add a label here if you want to add a link. So that's it. You can edit the style of the section, the alignment, or this the image, or the spacing, or the background. So let's save it. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can add a testimonial. You can generate a code. You can generate by who. By who is just the code. Here, if you want to upload the file, so let's save it. You can also edit the style of the section, the alignments, like this, or the spacing, or the vertical alignment, or the background. So that's it. Let's save it and let's move on. The next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now, if you want to change this, or if you want to generate image, you can upload image from browser. Just go here and pick any image you want. If you want to pick image from library or from here, for example, let's pick some image from here. For example, this. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section, the location section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change this. You can also change your business address. Here, if you want to add additional text files, you can add the title or the content. So if you want to edit the style of this location section, you can edit the type or the theme, or the rounded corners, the align map, the marker color, the main height, the background. So that's it. Let's move on to the contact form section. You can edit it from here. Now, if you want to regenerate another contact form or edit the size or the type of the writing, you can manage files. Here, if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, you can generate a form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The last section on the website, the footer section. You can edit the footer from here. Now, if you want to change the business name, you can also turn this on, the logo, and upload the file. You can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevance details. You can edit your social links. Also here, if you want to add a channel, you can just select the type of the social link. You can add a link. So that's it. Now, if you want to edit the style of this section, the type or the social icon, the size, the shape, the spacing, or the background. So let's save it. Now, if you want to regenerate the content or the style or the entire section from here, also if you want to duplicate this section or move it up or move it down or delete the section from here. So now after you edit and design your website business as you like, just wait a few seconds to publish your website. Just click here and you can publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.